Welcome to ArtMagic,
little artists. Today, we'll embark on an exciting drawing adventure as we create a playful Matryoshka doll that looks just like the number 8. Get ready to explore the world of vibrant colors and simple shapes. Start by drawing a large number 8 in the center of your paper. This will be the base shape for our Matryoshka doll. Make it bold and playful. At the top of the number 8, draw a semicircle to create the hood of the doll. Imagine it as a cozy, vibrant green hood that adds a touch of charm to our Matryoshka. Within the top circle of the number 8, draw a simple face for your Matryoshka. A smiling face with rosy cheeks will make your doll look friendly and inviting. Extend the bottom circle of the number 8 to form the dress. Think of it as a flowing, graceful dress that your Matryoshka is wearing. Use light, curvy lines for a whimsical touch. Pick up your vibrant green crayon or marker and fill in the hood of your Matryoshka. Let your creativity shine as you bring the doll to life with this lively color. Now, grab your blue and pink crayons or markers. Color the dress in alternating sections, creating a delightful pattern. Use bold strokes and have fun experimenting with different shades. Take a moment to add any additional details or decorations to your Matryoshka. Perhaps some swirls or dots on the dress or a colorful ribbon in the doll's hair. Let your imagination run wild. Congratulations, little artists! You've just created a beautiful Matryoshka doll shaped like the number 8. The vibrant green hood and the lovely blue and pink dress make your creation truly special. Keep exploring your artistic talents and have a blast with more colorful adventures. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.